Welcome to day 9 of Strength 30 Days of Tai Chi Daily Exercises. So this is your strength training exercise portion of the program. Remember to go back and watch day 9, the Tai Chi portion, after this, if you haven't already. All right, or you can watch it again. And so you can also click the link in the video description and register for free for the whole program, so that way you can watch every class of the program, including the Tai Chi of the day and the strength training video of the day. So today's exercise is called the seated knee extensions. So knee extension is really good for strengthening the quads, which is the front of the thighs, which is really important for knee health, but also just for daily function. All right, so you can do this by sitting in a chair, is usually the easiest way to do it, and I'm just going to demonstrate it first. So extension is when you straighten the knee, flexion is when you bend it. All right, so the focus is on extending the knee so that we squeeze the front of the thigh. All right, so we'll just do one leg at a time. All right, so we start off by squeezing that thigh muscle, the quad in the front, the quads. There's actually 4 muscles. And so you want to make sure you're at the edge of the seat if you can, for whatever you feel safe with, but if you can go to the edge, that's a little bit better. And that way you can sit up nice and tall. Now the key is when you straighten the knee, you don't want to round the back. All right, so keep your back straight and just go out as much as you can without having to round. All right, and so you can do 5 to 10 of those, just kind of get a feel for it. And if you don't feel that muscle working, that's okay. You might feel it tomorrow. So just go easy, see how you feel the next day, and then you can always increase the weight. If you feel like it was too easy, you can put ankle weights on. You can get ankle weights, kind of strap them around your ankles, or you can just wear heavy boots, where you can get creative. But for now, we'll just do it with either barefoot or just with a shoe on. It's fine. Now, you can even hold on to the seat too, and that might make you feel more stable. All right, but once again, you don't want to be slouching. All right, that's not going to be good for you. All right, now let's try the other side, and it might feel a lot different. All right, you might feel a tightness in the back of the leg. All right, now if you feel like a zinging sensation or like sharp pains, then maybe skip this one or just do it very lightly so that you don't feel it. All right, because that's oftentimes can be the nerve is irritated in the back or tight, or there's some underlying thing going on that you might want to get checked out by a physical therapist. All right, and so, but if it feels okay, it'll help to strengthen your quads. All right, and then once again, you can add in ankle weights to make it more challenging. That's probably the easiest way to do it. You can also strap, if you have rubber band, like those exercise bands, you can use those too. You can tie it to the chair and then wrap it around your foot. You want to sometimes it slides up though, so just be careful of that when you're doing it. That's why it's usually easier just to do an ankle weight. All right, let's do 10 reps on each side. All right, we'll start off with one side, doesn't matter which one, and then we'll go to the other. All right, and then we'll begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and feel free to stop if you get tired. 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, and then we'll do the other side. And once again, listen to your body. You don't have to get to 10. There's nothing magical about it. Just meet yourself where you're at. All right, we'll do the other side and begin. 1, 2, really squeeze the muscle for a second there if you can. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so those are seated knee extensions, working the quads. Once again, make sure you wait until you see how you feel tomorrow. You might feel like your muscles got a little sore, and that's okay. Maybe just take a day off from working your legs, but that's how your muscles grow. All right, so we want to kind of challenge them a bit so that they're maybe a little bit sore. They don't have to get sore, but if they do, that's okay, but not the intention. All right, well, thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.